Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Capricorn. I'm Julia Mijas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Hey, Capricorn. Well, we've been mentioning in these horoscopes recently that while Ceres is in your first house this year, in your own sign of Capricorn, you may feel that your reputation is connected with your financial worth. There's news about that this month. Saturn is your own ruler. Saturn rules Capricorn, your sign, whether it's your rising sign or your sun sign. And Ceres is the asteroid goddess of financial abundance. And Ceres is going to go retrograde on May 14th and be retrograde for several months until the end of August. And when Ceres goes retrograde, that triggers a period of financial retrospection and introspection or review. And it's a really good time to clean up any bad habits that you may have acquired over the years. And if you don't volunteer to do that cleanup, you may find yourself forced to do that cleanup. So getting a jump on it is way better than sort of doing it, as a way of making up for bad behaviors. So during this period, while Ceres is retrograde in your sign, lasting until late August, you're going to feel that your money is your reputation. You may really feel like those two things are merged, and also that they are very much under a microscope, being scrutinized. You might feel like, you're being watched or looked at around this, whether it's at work, in your career, or whether it's in your personal life. You may just feel judged more easily than usual, which is actually, to be honest, fairly easy for you in the first place, Capricorn, to feel judged, kind of all the time, whether it's actually happening or not. But that could be accentuated during this, and especially relative to your finances. So if you take on the work of this financial cleanup with a good will and a good attitude and good intentions, you're going to feel so much more yourself by September. So there is that to look forward to. And you can turn this into feeling better about yourself than ever before. So Saturn, your ruler, is here to help, traveling along through Pisces and in a lovely sextile to Ceres. And the Taurus new moon is going to form some beautiful harmonious connections with both of them. The Taurus new moon is happening early in the month on May 7th. So look for support and help in these projects of cleaning up your finances, getting them into better order, running your money in better ways, being more organized about it, and really looking at how you can have your independence financially and build wealth. And around May 7th, there should be something new that happens, or that you can birth, or a new idea or a seed that gets planted that can really help. And then also Venus is going to arrive to help you around these things during May 12th to 16th. And then Mercury does too from May 26th to 29th. So you'll find that you get good advice from other people when Venus helps, May 12 to 16, and that your thought process is much clearer around May 26 to 29 when Mercury is helping. Julia, what's up with relationships for the Caps out there?
Yes, well, Capricorn, you must be so happy that Juno is no longer retrograde because relationships have been going through a very uncomfortable growth period since January. So, you still might be reverberating a little bit from it. Juno was retrograde in Virgo, a very nitpicky kind of complaining sign. So it's kind of nice to feel like your relationship is no longer under a microscope. And this is a time where things can finally get sorted out for you and your partner, whether that's in your business life or in your personal life too, so that you can find yourself settling into some newer and better patterns. Now, if you are single, Venus is in your fifth house of dating until May 22nd. So a really, really good month to get out there and meet new people. And just a lot of fifth house activity in general, a really nice time to just kind of have fun with your partner if you are currently in a relationship. Now, the moon rules your seventh house of partnership because your seventh house is Cancer, and we're having that full moon in your your 12th house by the end of the month. Now, this is a really nice full moon. All full moons have a lot to do with relationship, but this one particularly for you because Cancer rules your 7th house. So you might be kind of finishing up some cycle with your partner. In the 12th house, this is a house of isolation. Maybe you guys want to just spend more time alone together by the end of the month, or spiritually grow together too, since the 12th house is such a spiritual place.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.